Have you ever thought that in just 90 days, your entire financial life could change? Not next year, not someday. Just 90 days from today. No more loan stress keeping you up at night. No more scrambling for cash at month's end. No more feeling like money controls you. Most people don't struggle because they earn too little. They struggle because they never had a clear plan. That's exactly what I'm giving you today. A simple, proven 90-day roadmap in 3 phases. Stay till the end. Phase 3 changes everything. Phase 1 starts with budgeting. The easiest system to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs. Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. 30% goes toward wants. Eating out, entertainment, the fun stuff. 20% goes straight into savings. This rule works no matter your income level. It gives every dollar a job before you spend it. So you're never wondering where your paycheck went. Write down your numbers today. Knowing your percentages already puts you ahead. Now it's time to see where your money goes. This step is where most people are shocked. Small things quietly add up fast. Your daily coffee run. Impulse online orders. Forgotten subscriptions from 2 years ago. Download an expense tracking app today. Connect your accounts and give it 1 week. Track every single dollar, no exceptions. You'll likely find 1 or 2 hidden leaks. Fixing those leaks frees up real cash. That cash can jumpstart your entire savings plan. Scene 4: Emergency Fund and Debt. An emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months. This isn't optional, it's your financial armor. It protects you when your car breaks down. Or when you lose a job unexpectedly. At the same time, get honest about debt. Not all debt is created equal. High-interest credit card debt is toxic. It grows faster than most investments. A mortgage or student loan can be good debt. Know the difference between the two. Always attack the high-interest debt first. Welcome to Phase 2: Growth. This is where the real magic begins. Compounding is called the 8th wonder of the world. Once you see the math, you'll understand why. Start investing $200 a month at age 25. With an 8% return, you could hit $1 million by 60. Wait until 35 and that number drops fast. Even though you started only 10 years later. Time isn't just an asset in investing. It's the single biggest factor of all. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. So how do you actually start? Automated investing is the answer. Set up a recurring monthly transfer. Build wealth even when you forget about it. This is dollar cost averaging at work. You buy more shares when prices are low. And fewer when prices are high. For beginners, low-cost index funds are ideal. They track the market and grow long-term. Want more stability? Bond funds balance the ride. The key isn't picking the perfect investment. It's staying consistent for years, not weeks. Not everyone wants stock market risk. And that's completely okay. If preserving money matters more than growth, look here. High-yield savings accounts are a solid start. Certificates of deposit offer guaranteed returns. Government-backed bonds add extra stability. These won't make you rich overnight. But they're perfect for short-term goals. A smart strategy is rarely all one or the other. Keep short-term money in safe, liquid accounts. Let long-term money ride the market's growth. Balance keeps you investing calmly, not fearfully. Welcome to Phase 3: Protection and Freedom. Step 1 here is insurance. Most people underestimate it until it's too late. Life insurance protects your family financially. If something happens to you, they're not left devastated. Health insurance guards against medical bankruptcy. It's the leading cause of bankruptcy in America. One hospital stay can wipe out years of savings. Insurance isn't money you're losing every month. It's a shield protecting everything you've built. Never skip it, no matter how tight things feel. Protection today prevents disaster tomorrow. Retirement might feel decades away. Especially in your 20s or 30s. That's exactly why it needs attention now. If your employer offers a 401k match, take it. That match is essentially free money. Contribute enough to capture the full match. Beyond that, open an IRA account. Traditional or Roth, both offer tax advantages. The earlier you start, the less you need monthly. Thanks to the power of compounding growth. Someone starting at 25 often beats someone at 35. Even while contributing less money overall. Now let's talk about income beyond your job. Money that doesn't need your constant hours. Dividend-paying stocks send regular payments. Just for owning shares in a company. Rental properties generate steady monthly cash flow. Digital products can be created once, sold repeatedly. None of this happens overnight. It's built actively through upfront effort or capital. But once it's set up, it works for you. While you sleep, work, or spend time with family. That's the real definition of financial freedom. Money working for you around the clock. Let's bring it all together now. Phase 1 was about foundation. Budgeting, tracking, and an emergency fund. Plus tackling high-interest debt head-on. Phase 2 was about growth. Compounding, automated investing, and smart fund choices. Phase 3 was about protection and freedom. Insurance to shield what you've built. Retirement accounts to secure your future. Passive income to break free from trading time. 3 phases, 90 days. One completely different financial life. Here's the part that matters most. None of this works if you just watch. Real change happens in the doing, not the knowing. So right now, before you close this video, act. Open your budgeting app this second. Set up one automatic transfer today. Check if your employer offers a 401k match. 90 days from now you have a choice. Stay exactly where you are right now. Or become someone who took control. It starts with a single step today. If this helped, like, share and subscribe for more.